Hey everyone, today I'm doing an honest review of the KRAUS 33-inch drop-in sink. This is a really unique model. I absolutely love it. See this nice design here? This can actually be under-mounted or over-mounted. I went with the over-mount, obviously, but if you have like granite or other stone that you're installing, this can actually go under-mount, which is very popular. So what a cool, versatile sink. And I love these clean lines. I mean, look how huge this thing looks. A couple other unique features. It comes with this grate here, as you can see. Keeps your bottom from getting really scratched and dirty. And as I take this out, if you see, everything is contoured to this. And the hole is no longer in the center. A hole in the center is no longer cool. So now the hole is off to the corner, which makes a lot of sense because all the water and debris could be pushed to a corner and then put down into your food disposal or drain. So what a cool feature. I absolutely love it. So classy looking. Comes with this really nice KRAUS cover. And sorry if it's a little dirty, but this is a sink that we do use. So I wanted you to get a real world look at what you have to expect if you purchase this. I absolutely love it. This particular kit did come with the faucet. I opted for a different style faucet, but it does come with the faucet, which is really cool. And let me just back up before we end this video and give you a wider view of what it would look like in your kitchen. How cool is that? I mean, what a wow factor. So, very modern, very chic, and maximum size. So, I hope this helps you make your decision, and you will not be sorry. Take care.